How to get private server link in the Roblox mobile app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get the private server link on your Roblox mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Roblox app. And here go to the game where you have created your private server. And now once you have opened the game, scroll down and here you will see servers under badges. Open it. Now here you will see your server. So you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner of your server and tap on configure. Now here make sure that you have turned on allow joining. Scroll down and here tap on generate link. After you have generated the link, you can copy the link and share it with your friends or whoever you want to share the link with. So guys, this is how you can get a private link on the Roblox mobile app. Thanks for watching.